I think that's it. I just want to start by saying I have completely lost count of the amount of times I've had a complete mental breakdown of putting on lashes, and this is why I am so beyond excited that I had come across this beautiful magnetic lash brand called Magnex. How beautiful this packaging is. This is in this style Goddess, and I am so excited to just try these on. My lashes have been feeling so dead for the last couple of weeks. Yes, this is going to definitely spice it up. And hopefully this is going to force me to switch from lash glue to this magic liner. Firstly, I'm just going to go ahead and place this lash across my eyelid where I want it to be and just estimate how much I want to cut off. I like to cut it on the end just because I don't want too much in the corner and too much scratching. I'm going to go ahead and put the lash liner right where I know my lashes are going to sit. Just wait like 10 to 15 seconds and they should be fine to put on. I think that's it. Oh my god, that took like 2 seconds. Oh my god, and it's on. Such little time. I just gone ahead and put it on the other side, and I can safely say that it took me not even 3 seconds for each eye. I'll be using this magic liner again and again.